I've talked many times about what I think of Homo sapiens and about our despicable evolutionary error from the beginning of time as human beings, from the first man on this planet, from the ones who started the horrible machine of human evolution that led us to the present, the modern days. I think that we are not superior. We are not superior living creature above all the others that surround us. On the contrary, I think that we are just monkeys and the unluckiest species of monkeys that ever inhabited the, the earth. We suffer much more than any other animals on this planet. We are just deluded into thinking that we are superior to everyone, but this is not true. The other animals don't care about us, if not when if not when we attempt their life. Well, the other animals cannot be happy, for example. For instance, we can, but in exchange of this happiness, of this altered emotion, we pay our unhappiness, our sadness, our desperation. We are just condemned to fulfill our needs. And these needs are more and more oppressive and big and hysterical. And we are just going round and round along the evolutionary scale. And we never stop. We want to know, we want to explore, we want to grow, we want to become richer and richer. But we don't know at the end of things the real meaning of all this. We just suffer, we just work, we just sweat to obtain, to reach our goals. But once we have reached them, we just go on. We just go on searching for other ones. And this will never stop because we are human, because we are completely insane. We are completely mad. We are born to suffer. That's the only truth. We cannot consider ourselves as superior. This would be ridiculous. This would be crazy. As humans, there is just one thing we can do. We are meant to live, to survive, trying to suffer the least we can, trying to suffer as little as we can. And this can only be true if we don't let our needs grow. If we don't keep looking for increasing our needs again and again, if we are not trying to let life on this planet multiplicate in a rational way, life is not an honor for a human being. It's just a big responsibility. Something we can something we need to pay attention to, not something to celebrate or make longer or greater or more important than other lives. That's why I think that we cannot be a hypocrite. We just must keep being humble and try to face this big mistake of our evolution in a more responsible way. Let's try to live as lightly as possible and do not um, fear death, because that is the only thing that could save us from our impelling pain, for our suffering, and for our genetical error. Thank you for listening to me. See you in the next video.